excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got yet another site to show you how you can earn at least $50 by clicking some links on a website. Right? Before I give you the details of what I have for you today, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money on the internet, leveraging the power of the internet to make money. And I'm sure that it is also your desire to make money. You are looking for ways and means of making a side income. And if it is you, my friend, then you are the right candidate. You are the correct candidate watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that I can notify you each time and every time I drop a video. Okay, so we are looking at a site that is going to facilitate a payment. If you follow the instructions which I'm going to give you today, my friend, you're going to make a bit of side income using the site I'm about to tell you, okay? And the site is called Vindel Research. So this is the site, my friend. It says, get paid to take surveys online, okay? So Vindel is the secure, reliable, and free survey site for anyone who wants to earn money online, okay? Right? So now, before we get anywhere, before we go anywhere, my friend, let's to find out together whether this site is a legit site or it's one of those scams, okay? Right? The best way we can find out is to do reviews, to go to reviews on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is one of the reputable sites where you can get some reviews which are not tampered with, okay? So let's get to Trustpilot. Trustpilot is here and we type in together, Vindel Research right here. Vindel Research, go. Right, so what are the stars? Right, 4 out of 5 stars saying great. Right, so 4,250 people left their reviews about Vindel Research. Look at this one. 58 said excellent, 18 said great. So we know that about 76% are saying great to excellent, okay? Yes, there are some who are saying poor, saying bad, all right? Right. Don't worry about that. Look at the 76% of 4,000, right? That's a great number, that, okay? Right? You cannot please everyone, okay? Let's look at some of the reviews for 1 second, right? That one is a disgruntled customer, that one. He's saying this site is a pure scam, okay? Right? And then let's look at this one. Griffiths is saying, I see a lot of reviews saying Vindel is a scam or it takes like a year to get $50. Well, I signed up October 2019 and have made over $250 as of February 2020. You can see that this person has made $250 already. Okay? It says the website is 100% legit and I've been paid $50 5 times. This is why I said you are going to be paid $50 by clicking things or links on a website, right? So this is where I'm taking my $50, my friend, okay? Because we've got a customer who has done it and there are some more. 76% of 4,000 are happy with this site. So having said that, let's put it aside and go back to Vindel Research. Okay, how does it work? Right, you share your demographic and then Vindel Research will match you with the paid surveys, okay? So the highest paying surveys in the industry, so you can get now, right, if it is politics survey, you get $10, electronics, $14, fashion is $2, right? So you redeem your earnings by PayPal. This is another site that gives you easy PayPal money, okay? All surveys are worth real cash, not points. There is nothing like earning points and then you convert them to this or to that. Here you're getting real cash. simple user-friendly payment center, quick payment turnaround. Okay, almost $8 million has already been paid or earned by members. All right, and then now the survey is about trucks, cars, politics, restaurants, fashion, health and beauty, travel, and so forth. And what makes Bindo Research unique? Cash payments, no points or coupons, full service support team, tech surveys on any device, okay? Getting paid is simple, quick PayPal payment, no payment processing fee, right? Those are all pluses on this site, okay? Right, so ways to earn, right? You can earn, okay, you can do paid studies, refer your friend, you can also send your photos. You can also get paid by getting some reward codes. Join the Bindo community on the blog and social pages for the challenge. For challenges, polls, alerts, and find reward codes worth cash throughout the week, right? So you also get $5 for every friend you refer, okay? And then earn cash for every email you open, all right? So it says, earn just for reading paid email. Opt in to reward mail in your email preferences to open and view paid promotional messages, all right? Earn just for reading paid email. That's another one, okay? And you've got the last one. It pays to press play. Enjoy video surveys for money, right? So these are all the different ways you can get money on this site, my friend. All right, so I will now give you kind of a bonus site which you can combine with Bindo Research to maximize your time online, okay? Right, so this one is called Vox Pop Me. You go to Google Play or App Store and type in Vox Pop Me, right? You find that it says paid video surveys. And what sort of rate does it have? What sort of reviews do we have here, right? We find that we've got, it's a legitimate, this Amy is saying, it's a legitimate app to earn a few bucks on the side. In 1 week, I can earn anywhere from $1 to $15, depending on how many surveys are available. All right, so you can have a look at more reviews, and more reviews, right? So you can make a little bit of side income using these websites. But this is called active income. As long as you're doing something, you are taking some action on these sites, you drop $15 there, you drop $2, $5 right there, and you get some side income, right? If you are to make $50 extra, you know, you can buy bread for your children, or you can put gas in your car, okay? Right, so which is great. And it's a great way to test the waters making money online, okay? But let me tell you that, my friend, there is what is called passive income, the opposite of active, right? So passive income is where you set up a machine in motion and the machine goes to work for you 24/7, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family and with loved ones, right? You might be a frustrated employee. You might be a person who is not happy with your 9-to-5 job, and you are looking for a way to free yourself from the shackles of your 9-to-5. And you are looking for a correct vehicle that you can use to make money online, right? Yes, my friend, I've got a good announcement for you, right? In the description, I've got a link that will take you to a site where you are going to be taught how to set in motion a business on autopilot. And the business will start to work for you whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your friends, with your wife, with your husband, right? and whilst you're doing the more important things in life, right? If you're serious about making money online, on that site, we're not talking about $15, we're not talking about $5, we're talking about hundreds, thousands of dollars per sale, my friend. And this is what is called affiliate marketing. If you want to find out more about what I'm talking about, check my #1 recommendation in the description below. The link says my #1 recommendation to make money online on AutoPilot. Click that link and you get a mentor. You get someone who is going to guide you on how to build this AutoPilot business. And you find that your life will never remain the same again. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.